Hi everybody, today I'm going to showcase how to use the Totango's Executive Console's Team Console section to measure and track to your key performance indicators. So this is actually where you would see this information under the Executive Console under Team. This is where you'll see the representation of all your customer success managers and specific key performance indicators that I'm referring to are going to be these two metrics that you can actually customize for your organization. And this is an individual view, so you can actually customize it for yourself by going to the little settings wheel and selecting the key performance indicators that are important for you to track. You can select up to two by looking at the specific attributes or specific metrics that you already have defined in the system. If you already have attributes that are available for your disposal under settings, you can actually define which attributes are key and important for you to measure. So you could easily already grab the ones that are available. And if there's something else that you're looking for, maybe there's something that you need to compute, you can actually leverage the metrics section in Totango. And there's actually another hot tip that you can go back to and review on how to create metrics. But basically would allow you to create a custom formula to allow you to come up with the key performance indicator that is important for your business. In certain cases, it's very easy to do. So one of the examples that we have, there's an average time spent per active user. If time spent on the system is important for your business, you can essentially take the overall time spent by the user in the last 14 days or whatever time frame is interesting, and divided by the total number of active users in the last 14 days, which would give you that average time spent per active user. That's one of the metrics that we use. If measuring total contract value is important, that's also another good one. There's another interesting one too. So tasks and touch points per user. So you can actually select various different activities, add them together and divide them by the number of active users in the last few days. So there's some ideas for you. If you have any questions on how to do the metrics, you can refer to the hot tip on that. But once you have identified what the key performance indicators are for your business, either we are already tracking them as attributes coming from your system or maybe your CRM, or you have defined a computation via our metrics section. From there, you simply would go back to the team console and expose those two key performance indicators that would allow you to track your team and see how they're doing. You can take a look at the specific time frames. You can look at the 7-day, 14-day, or 30-day window, and then see how you're doing and who's improving, who's not getting, the traction that they need, and then have the specific catered conversations with those specific individuals. Again, to modify the metrics, you would simply go back to the settings wheel. You would uncheck the metric that is not relevant and find the metric that is interesting for you. So for example, if I'm going to look for something interesting that's relevant to our business, I'm going to look at some of the tasks that are created in the system. So I can actually type in a keyword if that will make my search easier. And what I can do is expose the tasks per active user, because maybe right now I'm measuring my team on how many tasks their customers create. So if I want to measure that improvement, I can actually expose that specific metric and see what my average is for my individual customer success manager across their whole customer profile. I hope this session was helpful. If you have any other questions on anything related to Totango, we have a training section. If you just remember the support.totango.com URL, you will navigate to the training part, and then you have a reference of all the hot tips that we've recorded so far, all of our on-demand sessions, and of course, we'd love for you to join our upcoming sessions, our webinars, and our training sessions. Thank you very much, and have a great day.